Good morning, children. You are learning computer. Open page 17. Today we will start a new chapter. Chapter 3, Parts of Computer. Take a pencil in your hand and read with me. Parts of computer. A computer is made up of many parts that work together. A computer is made up of many parts, so computer cannot work alone. It has many parts and together it works. So computer is made up of many parts and that work together. All these parts are connected through cables. Cables means wires. Cables. Each part has a job to do. Each computer part has different job to do, different works. The four main parts of a computer are monitor, keyboard, mouse, and system cabinet and CPU. So, what are the main parts of a computer? See the picture here. This is the monitor. This is the keyboard. This is the mouse. And this is the system cabinet and CPU. Children, this is the system cabinet box. Inside this, the CPU is kept. CPU is called the brain of the computer and it is kept in the system cabinet box. So these are the four main parts of a computer. Repeat with me. Monitor, keyboard, mouse, and system cabinet and CPU. Let us learn about these parts in detail. Turn your page. First one is monitor. A monitor looks like a television. We can see pictures, cartoons and movies on the monitor. So monitor looks like a television. And what we can see? We can see pictures, cartoons and movies on a monitor. On the monitor screen, we can see the work that we have done on the computer. Also, we can see on the monitor screen the work we have done on the computer. If you draw a picture, you can see on the monitor screen. And if you write anything using the keyboard, you can see on the monitor screen. Next one is keyboard. A keyboard has many buttons. See, these are the buttons. These are the buttons. These buttons are called keys. These buttons are called keys. We can type letters and numbers with the help of these keys. So here are the number keys 1, 2, 3, 4 written here. Here are all the alphabets here A to Z. All the alphabets are here mixed up and we can type from here all the alphabets. Here are also number keys 1, 2, 3, 4 written here and here also number keys are here. So we can type numbers and letters from the keyboard. So what helps us to do that? The buttons of the keyboard which are called keys. So what are keys? The buttons of a keyboard are called keys. What we can do with the help of keys? We can type letters and numbers. The next one is mouse. See the picture of a mouse. A computer mouse looks almost like a real mouse. Have you seen a real mouse? The computer mouse is also looks like a real mouse, but this is very useful thing. It has 2 or 3 buttons. It has 2 or 3 buttons. It is used to point and click objects shown on the monitor. How we use the computer mouse? We click on the buttons and it is used to point and click objects shown on the monitor. It also helps us to draw on the computer, and it also helps us to play games also. And we can draw on the computer. Come to the next page. System cabinet and CPU. A system cabinet is an important part of the computer. It holds the CPU and some other parts of a computer. So the system cabinet, this is the system cabinet box. Inside this the CPU is kept. This is called the brain of the computer. This is very important part of a computer. A system cabinet is an important part of a computer. It holds the CPU and some other parts of a computer. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. So what is the full form of CPU? CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is the brain of the computer. It is the most important part of the computer, as it tells the other parts of computers what to do. So this CPU is called the brain of the computer. It is the most important part of the computer. It tells the other parts of the computer what to do. So this is system cabinet box and the CPU. So what are the 4 main parts of a computer? Monitor, M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. Children, repeat with me. Next one is keyboard. K-E-Y, key, B-O-A-R-D, keyboard. K-E-Y, key, B-O-A-R-D, keyboard. Number 3, mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Number 4, system. S-Y-S-T-E-M, system. C-A-B-I-N-E-T, cabinet. System cabinet. And CPU. CPU. What is the full form of CPU? Central Processing Unit. Now children, see here, write the names of the different parts of a computer in the boxes. So here pictures are given. Now you know the names of these parts of a computer. So take a pencil and write here. This is monitor. Write here monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. This is keyboard. Write here keyboard. K-E-Y, key, B-O-A-R-D, board, keyboard. This one is mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. This one is system cabinet. S-Y-S-T-E-M, system. S-Y-S-T-E-M, system. C-A-B-I-N-E-T, cabinet. C-A-B-I-N-E-T, cabinet. System cabinet. So children, learn the spellings very well. Till then, bye bye.